Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking Currywurst. This dish is an icon of German food, a bratwurst topped with curried ketchup and fries. It may not look pretty, but it tastes amazing. To start, light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using Clean Heat charcoal. Set up for direct grilling. Place a small pot over the heat before adding 1 cup of ketchup. Now the secret, half a cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, finally 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Mix it all together. Bring the sauce to the edge of a boil. Once heated through, remove from the heat and let it cool. Place a half-filled pot of water over the heat. Then place a steamer attachment on top. Next, place the bratwurst sausages in the steamer. The key to this recipe is having a really nice pork sausage. Cover with a lid and let them steam for 10 minutes. By steaming the bratwurst first, it gives you sausages that are evenly cooked. After 10 minutes, move the sausages directly over the charcoal to sear. Sear on all sides. Because they've been cooked through, all you need to do is to sear the outside, giving you a crispy skin. Slice the bratwurst on an angle. To finish it off, top with the curry ketchup and sprinkle on a little bit of extra curry powder. Serve with fries, and there you have it, Currywurst. This dish may not look the prettiest, but damn does it taste good. The curry ketchup with the bratwurst is an amazing combo. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.